Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take a container and make a swan on it. Now using a knife, you have to cut it like this and cut it very properly. Now give it the shapes properly as shown in the video. Keep cutting it, make its feather, and then we have to remove the extra part out of it like this. So first cut it one by one and keep cutting it. Now you can decorate it further by putting some beautiful flowers over it like this, and it's done. Next, take a white color container and draw a line. Now, draw the wavy lines or the semicircular lines like this. Now, cut them out with the help of a knife. Now, after drawing the lines on it, take a knife and then we have to cut it carefully. Remove the extra part, make the frills on the top and then fold it and make some flowers over it like this, and it's done. Next, moving forward, we'll be making a beautiful hanging container or a box like this. So cut it like this by putting some sticks and make a shape. Now cut it and then give it a proper shape like this as shown in the video. Now after that, make the round shape over it and then we have to draw the lines and then cut the frills out of it and then you have to roll it like this. Now fix it by putting some flowers to decorate it, and it's done. Next, take a white color container and draw the dotted lines over it like this, and then you have to make some flowers petals over it. Now draw the lines on the sides as well as shown in the video. Now we have to make the patterns like this. Now after that, make some circles, eyes like this, and then you have to cut it out. So we have got the elephant face and it's done. Next, take a blue color container and then you have to cut it out with the help of a knife. Now we have to make the designs over it like this. Make some flowers on the top by cutting it like this. Make the holes on the downside like this so that water gets flow out, and then it's done. Next, moving forward, we'll be taking the yellow color container, draw the lines over it and then make a V-like shape. Now make some wavy lines and make a small section of hole like this by drawing the lines, and then we have to cut it out and remove it. So you can use it as a tissue or plastic dispensers. So you just have to cut it out like this and give it a proper shape. Now fix it in the wall, hang it, and it's done. Next, moving forward, we'll be taking an orange color container, draw the lines over it, draw the wavy lines like this, make some dots, and then you have to cut it out with the help of a knife. Now after that, we'll be making some holes like this, and then we have to make some flowers over it like this, put it and fix it, and it's done. Next, moving forward, again we'll be taking a plastic container and then we have to make the patterns over it like this and then cut it out. Make some holes on it. Now after cutting it out, we'll be making the patterns over it very carefully as shown in the video. Now after that, you have to make the holes over it like this. Make the holes on the bottom section as well. Now make some patterns like this by putting the stones or pearls like this over it and decorate it, and it's done. Next, we'll be taking a container and then we have to draw the lines over it and then we have to cut it out, make some patterns over it. Now after that, you have to just make the patterns on it and cut it out and remove it. Now after you are done with this process, make some holes and remove the extra part of it. Now after making the holes, you have to put some on the downside as well, and it's done. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.